everyone and welcome back to the catalytic classes. So this is Priya, and in the previous lecture we were trying to solve the numerical problems of some basic concept of chemistry. So in today's lecture we are going to solve ahead of that is question 11 to question 20, right? So without wasting any time, let's come with the question number 11. So question number 11 is what is the concentration of sugar, that is C12H22O11, if 20 gram of solute dissolved in 2 liter of solution, right? So here we are talking about the concentration of sugar, that is in gram per liter, right? So we will calculate here molarity, right? What is the formula of molarity? Molarity is equal to the number of mole of solute divided by volume of solution in liter, right? So we will put this equation here. So molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter, right? So what is the number of mole of solute? Mass by molar mass, right? So we have to calculate first the molar mass here, right? Mass is given 20 gram and volume is given 2 liter. So we will calculate here molar mass of C12H22O11. So molar mass will be equal to C12H22O11. The atomic mass of carbon is 12, right? So 12 into 12 atoms, that is 12 into 12 plus 1 into 22, because the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, right? For oxygen, 16 into 11. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16 here, right? So calculating this, we will get 342 gram. So molar mass of C12H22O11 is 342 gram, right? So let's solve this. Mass by molar mass, mass is 20 gram. So 20 divided by 342, and how much volume is given? 2 liter, right? So 20 by 342 into 2, right? Solving this, we will get the concentration of sugar when 20 gram of solute is resolved in 2 liter of solution. Getting? Okay. Next we will come to question number 12. So let's solve question number 12. So question number 12 is, if density of मिथेनॉल का फॉर्मूला CH3OH होता है, डेंसिटी दी गई है हाउ मच 0.793 kg per liter, right? This is the density. So we have to calculate here volume for making 2.5 liter of 0.25 molar solution, right? So here density is given, right? Density is equal to mass by volume, we know that, and here we have to calculate the volume needed for making 2.5 liter of 0.25 molar solution, right? So यहाँ पे हम कौन सा फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे? M1V1 equal to M2V2, right? So M1V1 equal to M2V2, right? So M2 is given 0.25 molar and volume 2 is given 2.5 liter. and volume we have to calculate here, or molarity we have to calculate here. So first we will calculate the molarity, right? So molarity equal to number of mole of solute divided by volume of solution in liter, right? So density equal to mass by volume, and which is equal to 0.793, right? And molarity is equal to number of mole of solute यानी कि mass divided by molar mass divided by volume. So we can write here mass divided by molar mass into volume. So mass by volume is given how much? 0.793, right? So we can put it here. So molarity equal to 0.793 divided by molar mass we can write. So we can calculate the molar mass of CH3OH here. So what will be the molar mass? For carbon it's 12, for hydrogen it's 3, for oxygen 16, and for hydrogen 1. How much it will be? 32 gram, right? So 32 gram we can write it here. So 32 gram. Solving this, we will get around 24.78, right? 24/78 molar. So this will be the M1, right? So we will put this here. So 24.78. So V1 into 24.78 equal to 0.25 into 2.5. So 0.25 into 2.5 and divided by 24.7. So solving this, we will get the value of volume here, right? So coming to the next question. That is question number. So coming to the next question, that is question number 13. So in question number 13, we have to calculate the pressure in Pascal if mass is equal to 1034 gram per centimeter cube. Mass of air is given 1034 gram per centimeter cube. We have to calculate the pressure here. So what is the formula of pressure? Pressure is equal to force by area. And how do we write the Newton meter square, right? So we will put the value here. So pressure is equal to mass how much? 1034. A, acceleration we know 9.8 meter per second square. So we can write here 1034 gram per centimeter cube into 9.8 meter per second square, and area is centimeter square, right? So Pascal, unit of Pascal is Newton meter square, and the unit of Newton is 1 Newton is equal to kilogram per meter second square, right? So we have to calculate in kg and meter per second square, and here it is given in gram, right? So we will calculate it in kg, right? So 1034 into 9.8 divided by centimeter square. So we will write here in kg. So 1 kg divided by 1000 gram, right? And for centimeter square we have to calculate it, convert it in meter. So 100 square centimeter square divided by meter square, because 1 meter square equal to 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, right? That's why we have written it here. We will calculate it. So solving this, we will get the value in kg per meter second square, right? So this is how we calculate the pressure in Pascal. right? So here what we have used, here we have used dimensional analysis that I had also discussed in the one of the lecture, right? So getting this, right? So now we'll come to the question number 17. Okay. So question number 17 is a sample of drinking water was contaminated with chloroform. So here the level of contamination is given 15 ppm. So the level of contamination is 15 ppm given here. So we have to calculate number 1 percent by mass, and second is molality. So percent by mass, level of contamination is 15 ppm here. So 15 ppm, it means 15 parts per million. So we can write it 15 by 10 to power 6 into 100. Why? Because we are calculating here mass percent, right? So the answer will be 1.5 into 10 to power minus 3 gram. This much percent by mass, right? Next we have to calculate the molality. Molality क्या होता है? Number of mole of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg, right? So kg, 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So अगर 100 ग्राम में this much CaCl3 है, so 1000 ग्राम में कितना होगा? So 1000 ग्राम और 1 kg will contain 1.5 into 10 to power minus 2 gram, right? इतना होगा. So how do we write the molality here? So molality will be equal to mass by molar mass, that is number of mole, divided by volume in kg, volume of solution in kg, right? So what can we write here? Mass by molar mass. So mass, we can write here mass by volume into 1 by molar mass, right? We can write it like this. So molality is equal to 1.5 into 10 to power minus 2 divided by molar mass of CaCl3. We will calculate the molar mass of CaCl3 here. So 1.5 into 10 to power minus 2 CHCl3. Molar mass of carbon CaCl3. So atomic mass of carbon is 12, hydrogen 1, chlorine is 35.5 into 3. So how much it will be? (106.5) plus 13, so it will be equal to 119.5 gram, right? So CaCl3 molar mass is 119.5 gram. So we can write it here 119.5 gram, right? So solving this, we will get the value of molality. Getting it? How do we solve this, right? So first we have calculated the percentage by mass. So simply we did 15 parts per million. So 15 divided by 10 to power 6. इंटू 100 क्योंकि परसेंट कैलकुलेट करना है। मोलैलिटी कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हमें वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इन केजी चाहिए। तो अगर 100 ग्राम में 1.5 इंटू 10⁻³ था तो 1000 में 1.5 इंटू 10⁻² हो गया, राइट। एंड मोलर मास इसका 119.5 ग्राम सिंपली कैलकुलेट किया, सो उससे इसको डिवाइड कर दिया। सो दैट्स हाउ वी गॉट द मोलैलिटी, राइट, अंडरस्टूड। सो कमिंग बैक टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Question number 18. We have to express this in scientific notation. .0048 234.000 8008 500.0 एंड 6.0012। सो हमें इसे साइंटिफिक नोटेशन में एक्सप्रेस करना है। तो साइंटिफिक नोटेशन को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? n इंटू 10⁻n के फॉर्म में लिखते हैं, राइट। हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया है, n इंटू 10⁻n के फॉर्म में लिखते हैं। सो जब भी हम राइट की तरफ जाएंगे तो पावर माइनस में, एंड लेफ्ट की तरफ डेसिमल मूव करेंगे तो प्लस में होता है। तो 0.0048 हमें राइट की तरफ जाना है, तो हाउ मच? 1 2 3। सो 4.8 इंटू 10⁻, हाउ मच डिड वी मूव? 1 2 3 to 10⁻³ तो साइंटिफिक नोटेशन इसका 4.8 इंटू 10⁻³ हो जाएगा। सिमिलरली इसका हमें लेफ्ट आना है, हाउ मच? 1 2 2 डेसिमल, तो 2.34 इंटू 10⁻²। लेफ्ट आए तो पॉजिटिव में, ओके। सिमिलरली इसका 8.008 इंटू हाउ मच पॉइंट? 1 2 3, सो 10⁻³ फॉर दिस 5 इंटू 10⁻²। फॉर दिस ये n के फॉर्म में ही है, n इंटू 10⁻n के ही फॉर्म में है, तो इसे सिंपली हम 6.00212 ही लिख सकते हैं, राइट। सो दिस इज हाउ वी सॉल्व द साइंटिफिक नोटेशन।